Okay, this is to help you with mean, median, and mode, and range. So if we take these numbers, 96, 83, 71, 60, and 83, to find the mean, you're going to add them up. Add and divide by the number you added. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're going to divide by 5 because there's 5 numbers. So go ahead and add these up. 96 plus 83 plus 71 I'm going to stop the video so you can add. So when you add these up, you would have gotten 393. So now you're going to take 393 and divide by 5. 5 will go into 39 7 times. 7 times 5 is 35. 4. 9 minus 5 is 4. Bring down the 3. 5 will go into 43 8 times. So 8 times 5 is 40. 3. Add a decimal. Add a 0. Bring the 0 down, and bring your decimal up. 5 will go into 30 6 times. So if these were grades, your grade would be a, let's go grade, would be a 78.6. So now, let's say you did another grade, and you have to keep it at least a 70. Or if you want, let's say you want an 80. What would you have to make this an 80? So if you add one more grade on here, it's going to be 6 grades. And if you want it to be an 80, what numbers will have to go here? 6 times 8 is 48, right? So I need my total, my sum, to be in the 480. Right now it's 393. So if I take 480 and I subtract the 393, that's how much more I need to get, because I want this to equal 480. So how much more do I need? 480 minus 393 equals 87. So my next grade needs to be an 87. So I can have an 80. Okay, so let's now, with these same numbers, 96, 83, 71, 60, and 83. I want to find the median. To find the median, you put them in order from least to greatest. So I'm going to do 60, then 71, then 83, then 83 again, and then 96. I am going to find the median. So I'm going to cut off on both sides. So my median is 83. Now mode. Mode is most often. So out of the numbers we had, 60, 71, 83, 83, 96. 83 appears 2 times, so the mode is 83. How about these numbers? We'll try some different numbers. 10, 20, 21, 43, 22. Are there any numbers that's repeating? So the mode, there is no mode. You can have no mode, or you can have more than one mode. Now range is subtract the big minus small. With these numbers again, my biggest was 96. My smallest was 60. So I'm going to subtract these. 60. 6 minus 0 is 6. 9 minus 6 is 3. So my range was 36. Now, sometimes when you're finding the mean or the median or the range or even the mode, you might have a dot plot. You will have to, each dot represents something. So if this was dogs, the number of dogs that someone has. One person has 1 dog. 2 people have 2 dogs. 3 people have 3 dogs. So let's do this. We're going to add these. 1, 2, 2, because I had 2 2s. 3, 3, 3, 4, 5, 5, 5, 6, 6. So let's find the mean, median, mode, and range. Okay, I'm going to pause my video so you can find the mean, median, mode, and range of these. So pause your video. Okay, so my sum was 45. And I'm dividing by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I'm going to take 45 and I'm going to divide it by 12. This is going to go in 3 times. 3 times 12 is 36. 15 minus 6, 9. Add a 0. Add a decimal, add a 0. Bring the decimal up. 12 will go into 90. 7 times. 7 times 12. 84. 90 minus 84 is 6. add another 0 on, bring it down, 12 going to 60, 5 times. So my mean is 3.75. My median, I'm going to cut off both sides. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Right in the middle, between 3 and 4 is 3.5. You can also add them together. 3.3 and plus 4 is 7. And then that's 7 divided by 2 is 3.5. Now the mode. Which ones are we repeating the most often? I have 2 modes here, 3 and 5. My range is 6 minus 1, which is 5. So this is a quick review over mean, median, and mode. Please let me know if you have any more questions.